I'm on a mission to find 21 cheap, high protein foods that will help me build muscle and burn fat. Can I do it without breaking the bank? When it comes to building muscle and burning fat, we all know protein is key. But what if I told you that you don't have to break the bank to fuel your fitness goals? In fact, there are so many affordable high protein foods out there that can help you reach your goals without sacrificing your wallet. One of the biggest misconceptions I've come across is that healthy, high protein foods are always expensive. And I get it. Some of the healthier options can definitely put a dent in your wallet. But the truth is, a lot of the most effective protein sources are surprisingly affordable. From eggs to beans, these foods are not only budget friendly but also packed with protein and other essential nutrients. And let's be real, this misconception is what holds a lot of people back from pursuing their fitness goals. They think that they need to spend a fortune on fancy protein powders and organic produce to see results. But the reality is, you can make significant progress with whole, nutrient-dense foods that won't put you in debt. Another issue is that people are often misled by clever marketing. They're sold on the idea that they need to spend more to get high-quality protein. But the truth is, some of the most effective protein sources are the ones that have been around for centuries. They're natural, they're whole, and they're affordable. Okay, let's get to the good stuff. The 21 affordable high-protein foods that can help you build muscle and burn fat. First up, we have eggs, which are an excellent source of protein and can be bought in bulk for a steal. Next, we have canned tuna, which is not only high in protein, but also loaded with omega-3s. Greek yogurt is another great option, which can be bought in bulk and used in a variety of recipes. And that's just the beginning. We also have chicken breast, beans, lentils, cottage cheese, and so much more. These foods are not only high in protein, but also packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals that will help you build muscle and burn fat. Plus, they're all super affordable, with most of them costing less than 50 cents per serving. Some of these foods are not only high in protein, but also offer additional health benefits. Take salmon, for example, which is not only high in protein, but also loaded with omega-3s that can help reduce inflammation. Or turmeric, which has powerful anti-inflammatory properties that can help with recovery. As we wrap up, I want to summarize the key points. Affordable high-protein foods are out there, and they can help you build muscle and burn fat without breaking the bank. From eggs to salmon, these foods are not only high in protein, but also packed with nutrients that will support your fitness goals. So don't let the misconception hold you back. Start incorporating these budget-friendly protein sources into your diet today. Thanks for watching, guys. What are your favorite protein sources on a budget? Let me know in the comments below.